Welcome back. You know, a lot of people get stuck in the high interest credit card debts and they don't know what to do, and it accumulates. They are not budgeting or they make mistakes. And after a while, most of what they pay monthly goes for the interest. They don't even pay the principal. They can't even pay back the debt itself. So most of what they pay goes for the interest, and the debt keep accumulating and they get stuck, and it is very hard situation. But today we are gonna tell you about strategies that can lower your interest to the minimum. I'm not gonna say zero, but it can reduce it from like 20% plus to a way much lower. However, these strategies are meant for you to pay back your debt. Do not abuse them. These strategies meant to be used so you pay back the debt. You become debt free. Not to go and abuse them, because if you do so, they will fire back and you're gonna end up even in a worse situation than the situation that you are trying to fix. And also your credit score might get affected. You will become in a worse situation. So do not abuse them. Those meant to help you fix the debt, not to be in even harder situation. Okay? Strategy number 1, which is the balance transfer. And this is actually very important and can lower your interest rate to zero. Imagine that, zero. Instead of like paying 20% as an interest, now you pay zero. So all the payment that you do will go to the debt itself, to the principal debt, not to pay just the interest. Okay? So this is very useful strategy, very important way that will help you pay back your debt. So the first strategy is to transfer your balance from high interest credit cards to zero interest credit card. Is that even possible? Yes, it is. So the idea here, a lot of credit cards issuers, they will try to attract you to their business by giving you this, let's say, some sort of a discount. So here they will try to attract you to transfer your balance from another issuer's credit card to their credit card, and they will give you 6 to 12 months, which is like 1 year, of zero interest. They will give you this as like a way to attract you to their business. They will say, if you transfer your business or your balance from that issuer to our credit card, we will give you zero interest, like promotion, for 1 year. So for the entire year, everything you pay will go against the debt, will go to lower your debt, not for the interest. Everything you pay will go to reduce your debt. By the end of that year, hopefully you have paid a big portion of that debt, hopefully all of it, and then they will get back to the normal rate. We need to be also clear, because it's not like fully free. Generally there's fees, and the fees is between 1% up to a 5%, depending on the institution that you are dealing with. But still, at the highest, if it is 5%, it's way much better than 20% that you pay as an interest on your old balance. So there's a massive difference here. Instead of paying 20% plus, here you pay the maximum 5% as fees on this balance transfer. Another thing you should be aware of when you do that, also they will do hard inquiry for your credit score, and that temporarily will reduce your credit score between 5 to 15 points, something like this. But that's just temporary. But still, like, the benefit is way much more than like this risk of reducing your credit score temporarily. And hopefully by the end of this year, you are debt free. Okay? The goal here is to pay back your debt. If you go and do the opposite, you transfer your balance and you start to take more debt there, it is extremely risky. You're gonna ruin your credit score, and you're gonna end up in like the same situation with even more debt this time. So please be mindful that this is a strategy that can help you pay back your debt. not to take more and be even in a worse situation. If you're gonna make it like a way to avoid paying the debt, banks will flag you. They will know that this is what you are doing, and then they will decline your applications, and you're gonna end up even in a worse situation than the one that you started with. And strategy number 2, which is called debt consolidation. So let's say like you have multiple credit cards or even one, and they're like charging you 20% plus in interest. So here you take a loan, the lowest interest possible loan. You take that loan and you pay everything. You pay all of these credit cards that are charging you high interest. Nowadays, all of these financial institutions have these pre-approval applications, or calculators. So you can check their pre-approval portals and you can see if they will approve you or not and how much interest they will charge you on these loans. If you have a good credit score, they might charge you like, I don't know, 7%, 9%. Still, it's way much better than 20% that the credit card will charge you. Of course, they will check your credit score. It's gonna temporarily lower your credit score between 5, 10, I don't remember. But like that will affect your credit score temporarily, but still you will pay way much less on interest. And if you are using it correctly, that will go to the principal and will lower your debt, and you can pay it way much easier. There is also like a different strategy, but there's no loans here. It's like more of a common sense approach. So if you have multiple credit cards with different levels of interest on them, different levels of debt on them, what you can do is you can list them all and you pay the minimum for each one of them, except for the one that has the highest interest rate. So you take everything left that you want to pay and you pay it there. So here, because most of that money will go for paying back that debt, which has the highest interest rate, that will make your interest or the amount that you pay on the interest way much lower by the time. And then you can go back to the other ones that have less interest rates on them and you can pay them back. So there you have it. These are the best 3 strategies that can help you pay back your debt. I hope this video was informative and gave you the information that you are looking for and will help you pay back all the debt in the shortest period of time. If you are looking for credit cards, please check the link down in the description, because we have trusted links from our partners, and you can support the channel this way without paying any extra thing. Actually, they might even give us discounts or promotion code. We pass all of that to you, and the links are provided by these institutions, so they are trusted links. If you like this video, if you find it helpful, please give us like, subscribe, hype, all of these good stuff, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.